In the last part, we understood that there are three parts of each Veda. So what are these three parts? The first is Samvida. Samvida are the mantras which are used to express fundament or forces of nature, like that of a rising sun or a moon on a starry night. The second is called as Brahman. Brahman is used to invoke the power of this nature, entities. So it is done by two methods. The first is called as Karmakanda, where how to perform a yajna or to physically perform a ritual is mentioned, and the second is called as Upasana Kanda, which is more subtler version where how to perform the same thing through meditation and through internal evaluation is mentioned. Third part is called as Aranyak. Aranya means forest. So this part of the Vedas was supposed to be studied when a person would go into the forest or into the Himalayas. But to understand its meaning in today's interpretation, it means that a person had to retire from all the passions, desires, to understand this part of the Vedas. So Aranyaks mention the meaning behind performing the rituals which are mentioned in the Brahman. Upanishads are the part of Aranyak which mention the philosophy behind performing these rituals. Upanishads are also called as Vedant, which means that it is the Anta, that is the last part of the Vedas. The first Upanishad that we will be addressing in this series is Taittiriya Upanishad. How did it get its name Taittiriya? What is mentioned in the Upanishad? To understand that, stay tuned.